Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What's Sold video for you today. It is Tuesday, and I think we actually had quite a few sales today, so we're going to follow Kathy around to see what's sold for us.
Hey guys, yeah, good amount of sales. Thankfully, after that kind of slow weekend. Alright, so I listed like all these hats last night, and I did already sell 2 of them. So this one. We've had these forever, but they've been sitting in a bucket waiting to get cleaned, and they finally got cleaned. So the first one was this Harley hat, and this came from the bins, and even after washing it and stuff, it still had a stain on it. So I probably could have got more, but I only listed it for $12 plus shipping. Figured about $1, $12 on Facebook would give me about a $10 profit. So I was happy with that, and a quick sale. And then this Adidas like cadet military style hat, also sold for $12 plus shipping on Facebook, and also came from the bin. So, all right. And then I sold a pair of New Balance Minimalist shoes. These I did pay $11.99 for at Goodwill, but I sold them for $38 with discount shipping on Poshmark. I'm trying to stick on this side of the room for now. All right, shoe shelf. I have 2 pairs that sold off this shelf too. These. I think that was it. So yeah, these first ones are these Bionic Booties. Super cute. And these sold actually to a viewer. Paula, thank you. She just wrote a little message saying she loves watching our videos. Keep up the great work. So, Paula, thank you so much. She grabbed these for $35.56 plus shipping. I have an average cost of goods this day of $5.69, so not bad.
Thank you so much for the support, Paula.
Yes, thank you for watching our videos, and I hope these booties work well for you. All right, and then these Reeboks. Here somewhere. All right, like they're there. All right, yeah, these are just like a cool, like a vintage type hiking boot, Reebok. I purchased these for $8 and sold them for $48 on Poshmark. The buyer just paid full price, so that was awesome. All right, and then BS. Sold another one of these for $26, and I have 10 into them again, so doubling my money. Right. And then let's just go over here. It seems that's where most of everything
It's inevitable, I guess.
All right, so DJ, of course.
Although, yeah, we have this pile of stuff that we...
I've been working. I photographed 20-something today so far, but it's still a lot left to do. Alright, these Dr. Scholl's finally sold. I've had them for quite a while. They're kind of like a Allbirds copycat, like a wool sneaker. These ones sold for $22.21 free shipping. Thankfully, they are just under £1, so it costs about $5.42 to ship out. And I had $5.99 into the shoes, so not huge money. I think that was like an $8 profit, but I'm glad to see them go. L. Are some, we had 2 pairs. One of them sold right away. Then these ones, the Carhartt, the FR flame resistant.
Flame resistant or fire resistant.
Yeah. So these I paid $8.99 at Goodwill for. Sold them on eBay for $35.56
Hold
free.
on. Sorry guys, my gimbal died on me, so I'm gonna be holding it with my hands.
Old school. So yeah, these sold for $35.56 free shipping. I just ended and sell similar to free shipping. They were listed last month for like $30 plus shipping, so basically the same price. And yeah, so they sold. These were just a little too big to fit in a padded mailer, which is usually how I send jeans out. So shipping did cost $8.74, and these are actually over 2 pounds. So what I'm sending them in is the regional rate A box, because even though it's over 2 pounds, it charges you the 2 pound rate. So yeah, thankfully, otherwise I would have had to pay like $9 something, which isn't that much more, but 50 cents time and time again adds up. Right, this little bralette from Buckle. We got this at the Ben's, part of the stimulus check challenge. Sold for $10.95 free shipping, so not huge money, but I have about $1 into it, and the shipping costs $3.22 because it only weighs about 2 ounces. All right, AY. Right, sold another pair of these Vineyard Vines men's like running shorts, I guess. I got these at, what's it called, TJ Maxx for $10 on retail arbitrage. Sold them on Facebook for $30 plus shipping. Although I think the buyer got free shipping. It seems like right now, until Father's Day, they're like running free shipping promos on like men's clothing, shoes, I think maybe tools and like one other category. So yeah, if you have men's stuff, get it listed in the next few days, I guess. It's weird though, because like when I look at my own listings, it still shows that like it has shipping attached. But yeah, when I got the sale came through, it said
it reimbursed us or what?
Huh?
Did it reimburse us or?
Like it just said like, I mean, I got the label still in my email, and there was a message saying buyer got free shipping, but it's not coming out of like your money or anything that. So
that makes me wonder because we don't do free shipping on there, right?
No.
So I wonder what it would look like if you had free shipping.
It would just say free shipping, I think.
For them, but would you get the label free?
No, you would. I mean, it would just say -5, whatever.
Gotcha.
5.25. So, yeah, I don't know if you just can't see your own labels, like your own stuff as free shipping or what, but that was nice. I feel like those wouldn't have sold if it was plus shipping, you know. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, that is this. Okay, it said Third Love, which is the bras, right?
Oh yeah, the undies, right?
Why did I write box AF? But I also had some undies of theirs that I just listed last night, and they pretty much sold within the first few minutes of being listed. So there's 3 pairs. They're like new without tag. You could tell they have not been washed or worn or anything. So, yeah, I listed them I think at $35 and sent an offer of $28 with discount shipping. Technically, I have nothing into them at this point, so I'll profit on those. All right, and then AO.
Over here. AO?
L.
Oh, L.
Right, so these are some birkenstocks. I actually bought these for myself last summer. I wore them 4 or 5 times, I'd say. I just can't get used to them. I feel like they're just so like bulky to me. Like they look like man shoes. I don't know how to explain it. They hurt my feet. I know you need to break them in, but I just can't. So I'm listing them. I did get a good deal on them. Originally, they were actually new in box when I bought them off Mercari. I had $68.32 into them. Listed them on Posh at $79 and accepted a $55 offer. So I am losing like $20 or something, but that's okay. I got some wear out of them, and I know that I probably
you learned that you don't like Birkies.
Buy them anymore, yeah. And then speaking of, the reason I also was okay with losing money on those is because these Birkenstocks sold on Mercari for $72 plus shipping. So I thought these would sell for like $50.
Okay.
So basically I got like an extra $20 than I even thought. So I was like, well, it kind of offsets the difference. So I think I profited like $40 off of these. I did pay $12.99 for these at Goodwill, but $12.99 into $72 is really good.
Yeah.
So, all right, and then box C. Nike, what were these? Oh yes, these little baby Nikes. Nike. These sold for $19 plus ship on Mercari. I only have $2.99 into those. All right, and then CW. This is just one of my son's shirts. This is the brand Crew Cut, so like J. Crew for kids. I don't remember where we got this or anything, but I sold it for $10 with discount shipping, which means I get back like $5 and some change, which is more than I'd get at a garage sale or Once Upon a Child or anything like that. So, or even like if I would have priced this for JBF, I probably would have priced it at $5.50. Then they take like 30%, so $5.50 back. That paid for my coffee, so we're good. And last but not least was a bundle, and they didn't say they were a viewer, but I feel like she's bought from us before, which makes me feel like she's a viewer. So if you are, Adele, thank you. So she bought 3 items. So first up was actually a bra. this one, only black one left, 42E, yep. She bought this bra, and then BE. Some Croc sandals. These ones I have $7.99 in two. And then DF. This little Pooh Bear, it's like a bunting. So this one I have $1.99 in two. So basically for the 3 items, I have $10 in two. She offered me $53, which I was happy to accept. So yeah.
Awesome. If you are a viewer, thank you so much, Adele, for the support. And if not, thank you, Adele, for the support.
Yeah, I remember because it was going to Ignacio, Colorado, which I've never heard of before. But I remember seeing that one other time, and I think it was from her. So.
Okay. Yeah. So if not a viewer, at least a repeat buyer.
Yes, we appreciate all the sales.
Yeah, absolutely. And we will get these packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. Got everything packed up, ready for a thumbnail pick. But that's gonna do it for today.
Yeah.
Pretty good sales. Yeah, pretty good sales for a Tuesday. But yeah, we got to get to work.
We're trying to.
We don't have anything listed today yet,
so
but
I don't remember where we ended off last night. But during Drew and Joey's live listing, I got I think 11 more up.
Yeah, she got 38 listings up yesterday. That's crazy.
Yeah. So 38 plus the 2, so 48 already. It's only Tuesday. I just photographed 24 more. Chris is going to draft those while I take these to the post office, so I can hopefully get those up tonight before we have to make dinner. So, yep, that's what we're working on today.
Yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We do got to get this stuff off to the post office and charge my gimbal, because this is weird holding the phone like this. Hopefully the footage wasn't too shaky. I do use a stabilization gimbal, and that really... yeah, it does way better than me just holding the phone. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. We're going to see you in the next one. Bye.